friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. Today we are going to see a problem on projection of line inclined to both the planes. I will be explaining the question and then I will be taking the given data and what are the things we need to find, and finally I will be drawing step by step. A line PF 65 mm long. So 65 mm will be denoting your true length. So PF is 65 mm, has its end P 15 mm above HP. So 2 points will be there. One will be P and another will be F. So P will be 15 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So 15 mm in front of VP. It is inclined at 55 degree to HP and 35 degree to VP. So the true length, this line PF will be inclined to 55 degree to HP and 35 degree to VP. Just verify how many data we are having. We are having totally 5 data. If you are having 5 data means it's sufficient enough for us for drawing the diagram. What are the things we need to find? We have to find all the inclination, that is true length, inclination for true length, and for front view, top view, etc. And finally we need to determine the front view, top view length, and true length already given. True length is they have given as 65, right? So no problem. Additionally we need to find traces. First step is we need to draw a reference line. So X, Y will be a reference line, and after that according to first angle projection we will be writing VP above and HP below. So after that we will be seeing what are the hints we are having. So first hint is P is 15 mm above HP. So actually it's P, it's not A dash, it's actually P. So here P dash and P, yeah. Okay, so 15 mm above HP means from reference line we have to mark a locus. So we have to mark P dash right. So distance will be 15 mm from the reference line. For 15 mm draw a line, and same for here 15 mm in front means from reference line draw a line below. The distance will be 15 mm. Draw a straight line. First thing is you need to fix any point. For in this line you can fix P dash anywhere. You can keep here, anywhere. On this line try to keep a point, and that point is called as P dash. See to it that P dash and P are lying on the same line. So first of all mark one point and keep it as P dash for 15 mm above HP, and next is just draw a vertical line. This line should be very light, and just mark another point on this line, and that point is called as P. Now we have just kept the point P dash and P alone. Then go to the question. Here we are having it, that is the true length is 55 degree to HP. So take your protector, keep your protector at point P and take 55 degree. Okay, take 55 degree and draw a line. The length of the line is 65 mm. The length of the line is 65 mm and angle is 55 degree. So when you draw means you will be getting one point. That point is called F1 dash. And just try to draw a straight line, and this line is called as the locus of F dash. This line is called as locus of P dash. Then 35 degree to VP, right? Keep your protector upside down. Keep your protector here. Keep your protector upside down for 35 degree. The angle here is 35 degree. The angle here is 55 degree. For 35 degree, draw a line. The length of the line is 65 mm. So when you are drawing the line for 65 mm and 35 degree, you will be getting a point, and that point is called as F2. For this point, draw a straight line. This line is called as the locus of F, and this line is called as locus of P. Once we got all the 4 locus, that is locus of P dash, F dash, P and F, means 60% the problem is over. It's very easy for us to complete the remaining steps. Always try to extend only your true length. So true length is P dash, F1 dash and P, F2 is your true length. We are just going to extend the true length to the opposite locus. For example, you will be extending F1 dash. You will be extending F1 dash. If it's locus of F dash means we will be extending this point till the locus of opposite, that is P. So you will be extending. Actually, here I did one mistake. We have to extend this till locus of P. We have to extend till locus of which area? we will be extending this f1 dash till the opposite locus, that is locus of P, and that point is called as f1. If it's f1 dash means it's f1. Same thing, we will be extending f2 till the opposite locus. If it's locus of f means we will be extending till locus of P dash. So extend this line vertically to the opposite locus. That point is called as f2 dash. Now we are going to draw the front view, top view. For that, take your compass, measure P dash f2 dash. Take your compass, measure P dash f2 dash and try to rotate your arc in the reverse direction. When you are rotating, the line will be cutting the locus of f dash line. So where it cuts, that point is called as f dash. Same procedure for top view also. Take your compass, measure P f1. Keep your compass at P and try to rotate the arc. The arc will be cutting the locus of f at one point, and that point is called as f. Since depending upon the given data, we will be getting both front view and top view on the same line itself, that is P dash f dash and PF, that is top view, will be lying on the same line itself. So this is a special type of sum. And see to it that the direction of arrowhead, we are rotating in reverse direction, right? So the direction of arrowhead should be pointing towards upwards. Here we will be rotating the line downwards. So direction of arrowhead should be directing towards downwards. P dash f dash is your front view and PF is your top view. See to it that both front view and top view should be drawn very dark with your HB pencil, and P dash f1 dash and PF2 is your true length. Now we are going to do the traces. First step is you will be extending your front view. Extend the front view, that is P dash f dash, till it touches the reference line. Extend this line P dash f dash. This line will be touching the reference line, and that point is called as H. Second step is extend your top view. Extend PF vertically in such a way that it will be touching the reference line at one point. Both will be meeting at the same point. So this point can be named as V. Next step is when you try to extend this point where you kept H, right, horizontal. When you try to extend it vertically downwards, it will be meeting the top view. It will be meeting the top view at one point, and that point is called as your horizontal trace. When you extend this V, where you kept this point vertically above, this line will be meeting the front view, that is P dash f dash at one point. This point, that point is called as a vertical trace. Now we have drawn horizontal and vertical trace for the given diagram. Now we are going to dimension. Keep in mind that after completing the entire diagram, go for dimensioning. For dimensioning, first thing is we have drawn a line for 15 mm, right? So dimension this line, the distance between the reference line and locus of P dash is 15, and reference line and locus of P is 15. Next thing is we just take your scale and measure distance, whatever distance you are having, and front view is 53 and top view is 36. See to it that since we are having the locus line itself, I haven't taken a extension line. But generally the extension line should be perpendicular to whatever line you are drawing, and dimensioning line should be drawn with your H pencil, and see to it that number should be vertical, it should be written with your HB pencil, and angle is the front view, that is alpha we will be having 90 degree, beta is also 90 degree, and phi will be theta will be 55 degree, and phi will be 35 degree. So these two angles are the angle of inclination for the true length as given in the question. After completing everything, just try to put a box like this and write all the answer, whatever answer you are getting, just write as it is, like theta for true length angle, alpha is front view angle, beta is top view angle, and phi is the true length for top view, and P dash f dash is your front view and PF is your top view, and this is true length which is given in the question. See to it that you are writing in the just try to put a box on the right side of the A3 sheet and try to write it, and height of the text should be in 10 mm. So heading we can give like projection of lines, and height should be 10 mm, and finally right bottom, that is on your page right bottom corner you have to write all dimensions are in mm, scale 1:1, height of the text should be 5 mm. One thing I just forgot to tell, you have to dimension your true length, because we are having two sides, true length on both top and bottom, right? try to dimension to length on any one side. So I have taken the bottom side and I have dimensioned it. This is the extension line. Extension line should be perpendicular to the PF2 line, and dimension line can be drawn with your H pencil. Extension line can be drawn with your 2H pencil. Try to now write a number, whatever number you are getting. Try to write the number in HB pencil vertically. If you have any doubts, means you can type in the comment section. If you find this video useful, means try to share with your first year friends, and do subscribe my channel Mechanical Motivated. Then only you will be getting all the videos which I upload. Thanks for watching this video.